at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on the eve of the commencement of Pakistan's 8th term as a non-permanent member of the United Nations Security Council for the years 2025 and 2026. I would like to once again convey my deep gratitude to the UN member states for electing Pakistan to the UN Security Council with an overwhelming support. Excellencies, we view this resounding support not only as a recognition of Pakistan's strong credentials, but contribution towards global peace and security, but also as a sacred trust reposed by the UN member states in Pakistan. We will uphold this trust by working closely with all UN member states for promoting adherence to the purposes and principles of the UN Charter, preventing war and promoting peace, fostering global prosperity, and promoting universal respect for human rights. Excellencies, Pakistan is assuming its role in the UN Security Council at a time when we are confronted with many unprecedented challenges. Situations of conflict and continued foreign occupation defy the promise of the United Nations to save succeeding generations from the scourge of war and guarantee self-determination. Long-standing unresolved disputes from Jammu and Kashmir to Palestine continue to simmer. The ongoing situation in Gaza, including the blatant war crimes and acts of genocide being committed against the innocent Palestinians, represents a crisis of credibility for the United Nations Security Council. Excellencies, the painstakingly built arms control regimes appear to be crumbling, intensifying arms races in the nuclear and conventional domains. The scourge of terrorism continues to threaten peace and security. The UN Charter's ideal of peaceful existence is being challenged by rising intolerance, Islamophobia, far-right extremist ideologies, and populism. Excellencies, the Security Council bears the primary responsibility in addressing these increasingly complex and interconnected challenges. Over the years, we have demonstrated our capacity to advance meaningful outcomes and strengthen Council's effectiveness. During our 2003-2004 term, we were instrumental in laying the groundwork for the elected 10 grouping, known as E10, thereby enhancing the collective voice of the elected members. In 2012-2013, Pakistan championed a comprehensive approach to counter-terrorism and peacekeeping, culminating in the adoption of Resolution 2086, which underscored the importance of addressing the root causes of conflict through multi-dimensional peacekeeping. Excellencies, today, as we stand at a critical juncture, we remain ready to contribute meaningfully to the Council's work, drawing on our rich legacy of and faith in multilateral diplomacy. We look forward to playing a constructive role in bridging existing divides, fostering consensus, and upholding the Council's mandate in accordance with the UN Charter. Excellencies, our priorities for our upcoming term are firmly anchored in the foundational principles of the UN Charter. We will remain committed to pursuing just and peaceful resolution of outstanding and ongoing disputes, opposing the resort to unilateral and illegal use or threat of use of force, combating terrorism in all its forms and manifestations, supporting effective UN peacekeeping, peace enforcement and peace-building efforts, and contributing effectively towards the resolution of regional and global crises. We view the E10 members as a crucial force for upholding the principles of transparency, accountability, and regional representation. Excellencies, our efforts will focus on ensuring that the Council's decisions reflect the collective aspirations of all member states. As we embark on this journey, we are reminded of the immense responsibility we share in shaping the future of global peace and security. Let us work together to overcome divisions, restore trust, and uphold the ideals that underpin the United Nations. Excellencies, Pakistan looks forward to collaborating with each of you to navigate the challenges ahead and to build a more just and peaceful world. I thank you all, and once again, Happy New Year 2025 and beyond.
साल 2025-26 के लिए